Welcome all you Zontes maniacs. If you would like to donate to the channel, there is a PayPal link in the description. All donators will get a shout out on the start of new videos. It takes a lot of time to bring you this content, so let's dive in. Ever wondered why your scooter sounds like it's trying to breathe through a pillow? That's your air filter begging for retirement. Think of it like this. You wouldn't run a marathon with a blocked nose, right? Well, your Zontes 125 or 150 cubic centimeters is basically sprinting every time you twist the throttle. A dirty filter means less air, more fuel wasted, and your scooter coughing like it's got a cold. Swap it out and suddenly, vroom, your ride breathes fresh again. Bonus, your wallet thanks you, because clean air equals better mileage. And hey, it's cheaper than therapy for a scooter that wheezes. So change that filter, give your bike a breath of fresh air, and ride off like the hero of your own action movie, without the soundtrack of a dying vacuum cleaner.
I'm coming for the throne.